My name is Angela Robinson. I am Dean of Academic Affairs. My area that I serve is Education and Personal Service. I've been with the college approximately 12 years. I have 29 years of experience in the field of education. The Early Childhood Care and Education program offers certificates, we offer diploma, and we also offer associate degrees. We have the associate degrees in infant and toddler, paraprofessional, and exceptionalities. The exceptionalities degree is the one that transfers out to the universities. One of the most exciting parts of the Early Childhood Care and Education program is the Child Development Center that we have right here on campus. This particular center allows the students to come in and have hands-on experience working with the children. We service children from 2 months all the way up to a Georgia pre-K program. So when the students are learning all the theories in their classrooms, they're able to come inside of the class and implement them with the children. We try to rotate them out. We have an infant area, a toddler area, and a preschool, and even a Georgia pre-K program. The jobs that we have for the teachers that actually graduate with any of our credentials, you have a lead teacher, you can be an assistant teacher in a childcare center, you can work on a Head Start, or you can even work in a Georgia pre-K. Now, we do have some students that work as paraprofessionals inside of the school system. Once they actually work on that associates, it allows them the hours that the school system need in order to be employed as a paraprofessional. We always ask our students what their interests are because we have pathways that go to Albany State University, Columbus State University, Georgia Southwestern State University, and even Valdosta State. So when we come in, we find out their interest. Some of them are interested in owning their own child care center, so we have a degree for that, infant and toddler degree. But the ones that specifically go with those particular articulation agreements would be our exceptionalities. So if they're interested in becoming a classroom teacher, possibly in the school system, we always tell them that they should take the exceptionality track. And those are the ones that are actually picked up by the universities. Right now, there is a high need for teachers. There is such a shortage at this particular point, so we get calls all the time. We need students, we need students. But honestly, by the time that they're in the internship, where they're actually demonstrating their skills and earning their hours, they're already employed. So as soon as we get them, we always make sure that the community has what their needs, and we're trying to fit their needs. Because like I said, I know that they do need teachers because of the shortage. So if you're interested in early childhood care and education, please come over and see us. Someone is always available to help you. We have a lot of exciting things that are happening in the program. From even being one of the members of the Foundation Setters, which is a part of the early childhood program, or a lot of the wonderful activities that we have here in the Child Care Center. So like I said, if you have a love for young children and you want to build on that, please come see us.